Interested in obtaining a pre-made website with a range of features? We offer options like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, courses, and business pages, with over 1,000 themes at your disposal. Alternatively, if you need assistance in setting up your initial website, we provide services including hosting, plugins, themes, and comprehensive support. Visit mmolearn.com for more information and to address any inquiries you may have. Let me now guide you through the steps to acquire Avada and various other plugins and themes without charge. To start, navigate to mmolearn.com. Once there, you can utilize the search function positioned at the center of the page. Alternatively, you can proceed to the section labeled as All WordPress Plugins. Should you be seeking Avada, simply enter its name into the search bar. This action will yield multiple available plugins. Identify and click on the specific plugin of your choice. Subsequently, you'll discover a description of the plugin along with a download button situated in the upper right-hand corner. Ensure that you complete the process by registering for a complimentary account.